Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to save a Word document to your desktop. A very simple and easy method to save your file to your laptop or PC desktop. Just click on File. Here click on Save As. Now here click on Browse. Now in this list select Desktop. Give your name here. Make sure Save As type is Word document is selected. Leave as default. Now just guys you have to click on Save. So as we can see, we have this file here on desktop. So this is a simple and basic way. Click on File and click on Save As. Browse and select here Desktop. Give your design name, then save it. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.